Hi, my name is Russ with Google Cloud. Today we're going to learn about Looker, a product that allows analysts to model the relationships inside of a data warehouse and provide either business intelligence or a data platform to app developers, which we call Powered By. We'll look at this through a fictionalized example. Atom is an e-commerce marketplace targeting young adult customers with fast fashion deals. And their breakout success is largely because of the decision to put analytics at the core of their strategy, giving their merchants the best targeting tools, customer communication, and analytics. Powered by Looker makes this possible and simple. Let's go ahead and log in. We'll be part of the Calvin Klein team. All of the information on this page is being sourced from real-time queries Looker runs in the database, filtered by merchant. They can also be served from a configurable cache. Those queries are based on LookML written by an analyst in advance, and this means that your app developer won't need to write a single line of SQL or need to build expensive cubes. As we tour their portal, we'll see which of Looker's two primary interfaces are being used. Here we see both iframe embed, which you can use for fast integration, and Looker's RESTful API, which can be used for pixel-perfect control. Atom also monetizes its premium merchant accounts, and we'll see how Looker provides the fine-grained feature access that enables that. Let's take a look first at a standard embedded dashboard. Atom's engineers started with simple embedding first, since it gave them the fastest implementation time, allowing them to release right away before iterating further. Iframes take data from your portal's user account as arguments to a source URL. These parameters control data, report, and feature access. You can see here the user object before it's been coded into the iframe URL. Here, our brand user attribute is passed into the where clause of a query for row-level security on a single set of tables. We can also base that security on schemas, columns, or database connections. The iframe is secure because it's signed with a shared secret by your application or retrieved from our API and can be used only once for a limited period of time. The iframe also comes equipped with a front-end SDK for faster development. Atom's product team got a feature request to see the top sales days, and Atom merchants wanted to see this in a highly specialized way. So engineering set about building a custom experience using Looker's RESTful API. They used our server-side SDK to speed their development. It's worth mentioning here that whether you're using Looker's API or iframes, Looker gives you a consistent set of capabilities to work with. Drilling into the row level is one, which is possible because of Looker's in-database architecture. Let's drill into a hotspot. Because this is a powerful feature, it's been reserved for advanced accounts. Looker gives product and engineering teams fine-grained control over what features to provide which users, and this is exactly how Atom is able to drive additional value for its highest value merchants. And now we can see our row-level data. But the iframe and API can work in tandem to create something more specialized. Let's take a look at our saved reports screen. This page uses the API and iframes together. The list of reports comes from the API and instructs the iframes which saved report to display. Iframes can also do this browsing of content if you'd like to do that inside of the iframe, but it's an example of using the two together to produce something new. Another example of using the two together would be our sales dashboard, which uses an API call to fetch context and provide a list of available dashboard filters, complete with period over period information. The filter value is then passed into the dashboard, updating it live. Our SDK also listens to user interactions and events broadcast out of the iframe as well. This allows their developers to intercept and respond to user interactions inside of the iframe. For example, presenting a custom message or redirecting the user to another place in the application. So for example, having drilled here on the dashboard, I could have intercepted this event and done something custom. I'd like to show you one more feature of embedding that we haven't yet touched on. We also provide the ability to have self-service data exploration, and Atom reserves this for its premium merchants. Looker's self-service exploration environment allows users to interact with the data without having to know SQL, because all of the relationships have been modeled in LookML. They can start from existing reports or create something new. Here, what I'd like to do is identify a cohort of high-value customers. So I'll start with some identifiable information, see how much they spent, and then narrow the demographics. We'll target young adults here. In addition to that, I'd like to get my highest value customers. And so I can go ahead and filter this for anyone that spent greater than $200. And then I can run this. You can show or hide the SQL that's produced. But this allows me to then, as an end user, produce my own visualization or report, which I could then save and make available on the saved reports screen. Atom also provides the ability for the users of Atom to reach out to their customers, and they use our Action API to make that possible. So I'll go ahead and click Send. And using Looker's Action Framework, I could send this as an email, destinations on the web, and other integrations. This, for example, allows me to send SMS notifications. But Atom has programmed something custom here, which allows the individual users that we've identified in our query to get a flash notification of a sale and offer them an incentive. So let's go ahead and send this. And our users on the Atom site are notified. We've seen how Atom Fashion is able to create a market differentiating experience for their brand merchants by using all of the features available and powered by Looker. And we've only scratched the surface. If you'd like to learn more, I'd invite you to visit looker.com/powered by Looker. Again, this is Russ, and thanks for your time.